There have been whispers about Samsung's next foldable device, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and how it might prioritize design over functionality. According to a recent rumor, the company could be considering sacrificing a crucial feature, its beloved S Pen, to create a thinner model. While this might seem like an odd move, especially for those who rely on the S Pen for note-taking or creative work, it might be a necessary decision for Samsung to compete in the ever-evolving foldable phone market. But why would Samsung opt for this? The company has always prided itself on pushing the boundaries of smartphone design, and thinness has become a key trend in the industry. With the Galaxy Z Fold 6 already at a slim 5.6mm when unfolded, Samsung may be looking to reduce the thickness even further. However, its desire for a sleeker design could come at a cost, especially when considering how integral the S Pen has become to the Galaxy Z Fold lineup. If the rumor holds true, it could mean a downgrade to the S Pen, or, at worst, the removal of its functionality entirely. It's essential to remember that, currently, the Galaxy Z Fold models don't offer built-in storage for the S Pen, which means users have to carry it separately. If Samsung is determined to make the device thinner, it's hard to see how they could incorporate a dedicated storage slot for the S Pen without compromising the device's slimness. This raises the question, if the S Pen loses some of its functionality or even gets removed from the equation, will it still be a practical option for those who value its features? Looking back at Samsung's previous releases, it's clear that the company is no stranger to making design decisions that prioritize slimness over features. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, for example, measures just 4.9mm in thickness when unfolded, but it doesn't support the S Pen at all. If Samsung decides to make the Fold 7 even thinner than that, it could mean a complete removal of the S Pen, or at least a significant reduction in its capabilities. It's not just Samsung facing this challenge. Other companies like Oppo are pushing the limits of foldable phone design, with models like the Oppo Find 5 rumored to measure around 4mm when unfolded. The competition is fierce, and Samsung might feel the pressure to keep up. But the question remains, how much thinner can foldable phones really get before essential features like the S Pen have to be sacrificed? Thinner phones certainly have a visual appeal, but what cost? For many Galaxy Z Fold users, the S Pen is one of the most important aspects of the device. It's not just a tool for taking notes, it enhances the overall experience, making the device a versatile tool for creativity and productivity. If Samsung were to remove or downgrade the S Pen in the Galaxy Z Fold 7, it could spark backlash from loyal users who depend on it for their everyday tasks. At this point, it's important to note that all of this is purely speculative. There has been no official word from Samsung about any changes to the S Pen functionality. It's possible that the company could find a way to maintain the S Pen while still reducing the thickness of the device. Alternatively, Samsung may decide that slimness is the priority and that certain trade-offs, like losing the S Pen's features, are worth it in the name of design innovation. Ultimately, it will come down to a balancing act between design and functionality. If Samsung does go forward with these rumored changes, it will have to carefully consider how users interact with the device. While a thinner, sleeker Galaxy Z Fold might look appealing on paper, it's the features that users rely on day to day that will make or break the device. And whether or not the S Pen is a part of that equation could be one of the key factors that shape the future of the Galaxy Z Fold. What's your take on all of this? Would you prefer a thinner Galaxy Z Fold even if it meant losing some S Pen features, or do you think Samsung should keep the S Pen intact? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.